Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, 'cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. 'Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. 'Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me, yeah. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. You know, I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me, yeah. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. 'Cause gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. All right, y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by RPGSHOW. Shout out you, RPG, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I really, truly appreciate it. So the unit that I am rocking, it says name is WIGS by Cherise in 009. The order number is CC643. The texture is silky. The length is 20 inches. The hair color is like the picture, and obviously this is definitely more so of a burgundy or 99J unit. The cap size that I have is 1, and if I'm not mistaken, they do have the cap size 1 and they have a cap size 2. It says glueless lace front. It's a 200% density, and it is tinted transparent Swiss lace. So those are all the details and specs that they sent me. Let me go on the site and see if they have anything differently on the site. Okay, so on the site, it has a picture of the model, which is like a wig head. Is really, really nice and flowy. I do have more like a tighter curl, but once I brush it out, and I'll probably have more of a brushed out look and this look in my pictures, but if I do, I'll just insert it somewhere on the screen so you guys can see what it looks like brushed out, because right now I just have the curls finger combed. It says that it looks like the only texture you can get this unit in is silky. It is available in 16, 18, and 20 inches. It is a 13 by 6. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this wig. Now, this unit did come pre-tweezed. It did come pre-bleached. I did not have to do anything with this unit other than cut the lace, okay? She literally woke up like this.
I woke up like this, flawless.
Okay, like I literally did not have to do anything extra to this unit. And you know, your girl is lazy, so I love that for me. Now, it does say it's glueless. You guys know if you've been watching me, I always struggle with the sides. So I don't typically, especially if it's a frontal, I don't typically wear my wigs glueless. I wear them glueless, but I always add lace spray. So I do believe some people would be able to wear this wig glueless or sprayless, like just slap it on your head. So it makes it extremely, extremely beginner friendly. As far as shedding and tangling straight out of the packaging, I have not gotten any other things. That's not to say that at some point, oh girl won't do any other things. It's just saying straight out of the packaging, oh girl is not doing any other things. Okay, girl. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Now, as far as it being big head friendly, I will say get your cap size. I do have it adjusted pretty tightly, but if you are I do feel like you can wear it if you have a bigger head, but it may be a little too snug. But I do feel like the cap size that I have does seem to be more small to medium head friendly than not. But they do, if I'm not mistaken, offer a larger cap size. Yes, they do offer a larger cap size. So I would say if you have a smaller head, to get the size 1. If you have a larger head, then get the size 2. So yeah, that is pretty much it as far as details and specs go with this wig. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Okay, so you guys, if you've been watching me, a lot of times with these hair companies, especially what I've noticed with the luxury hair companies, is that right in here, like it is 13 by 6, like this part can still go on and on and on, girl. But right here, like kinda on the sides, is less space. You can still part it, but it's nothing like this. So that is a con for me. And another con is it says it's 200% density. Is definitely giving me 180. You guys can let me know what you think, but to me it's giving more 180 than 200. Let me know what you guys think down below. And yeah, those are my cons. Now my pros is that old girl came pre-tweezed, that old girl came pre-bleached, old girl is giving me all of the 99J vibes that I want for fall. You guys know I love me a good 99J in the fall, honey. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is my first one for the fall. You guys know this is just like my color. I love it. So it is giving me all of that. I also love the fact that I ain't got to do nothing to her but put her on, okay? Because you know I'm lazy. You know I'm lazy. So those are my pros with this wig. Yes, I would recommend this unit. I have never gotten a wig from this company that I did not love. So I would recommend this unit. And even if you're not into the color, I would recommend getting it. They do offer it in other colors as well. Looks like you can get this unit in a natural color, a jet black, and a natural color. So I would recommend this unit for sure. Alright y'all, let me give you guys this full 360 and this lint check so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you are feeling this unit as much as I am. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. Once again, shout out to you, RPGSHOW, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. If you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok, from Hell to Missy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Your love complete.